Hi everyone and welcome on our third BG live shopping and the first one about beauty. I'm Manuella, I work at Bonjour Grider and I'm a really big passionate of makeup. So I really wanted to show you today I do my everyday look, summer look using the By Terry products. So I decided to show you my selection of By Terry products because I really think that they are good for everyday products. They're adding skincare to their makeup, so I really like it. So first of all, I'm gonna prepare my lips by applying the lip balm Baume de Rose. So I really like this one because it really regenerates your lips. It has shea butter in it, E vitamin, so it's really good. And it's not sticky, so I really think it's good for every day now that we have the mask on and stuff. Then, before applying your makeup, I really advise you to use a primer. This one is really good because it has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's gonna hydrate your skin. Also, it will blur your imperfections, even out your skin tone. So yeah, it's a really good product, and it's gonna smooth your makeup afterwards. So yeah, and it has a foamy texture that I really love, and it's really nice and easy to apply. So feel free to have to ask your question in English, French, or German. It will be a pleasure to answer you. So don't hesitate. So yeah. I'm gonna start with the makeup. So I will use my foundation. So I use the shade 200N, as you can see here. I really like this one because as the whole range, it has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's really gonna hydrate your skin, and also it's very fluid, so it's really adjustable. If you want something more natural, you just put 2 drops, and if you want something more covery, you can just put like 4 to 6 drops. It's really adjustable. And also a little piece of advice, so I use the shade 200, and the numbers stand for your shade, so the more the number is higher, the more your shade is deeper. And the letter, so the C, the N, and the W, it stands for your skin tone. So for example, if you have a warm skin tone, I advise you to take the letter W. And if you have more of a rosy skin tone, the letter number C, which is cool. And if you have, rosy, and if you have more of a natural, a bit like me, just take the letter N. So yeah, I really like this one because it's really easy to apply. It feels like a second skin. It's not like too heavy on the skin. You don't think like you have a mask on. A really big one. And also it has SPF in it, so we all know that in summer the sun is your best friend, but it's actually the worst enemy of your skin, so be careful and put SPF in it. If you don't put sunscreen, yeah, take a foundation with some SPF. It will help your skin to age better and later. Okay, for the foundation. So now I'm gonna use my favorite product from By Terry. So it's a brand new hyaluronic eye dry concealer. I really like this product because well, it has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's really hydrating, like the whole range of products. But also it has some chestnut seed oil extract. So it's gonna simulate the micro stimulation under your eyes, and it will help reduce your dark circles. I also put some over here because they have a point of light, so I think it's very luminous, and yeah, I have a light. And also it has a brush integrated in it, and it's vegan. So to blend my concealer, I use this pencil, so like more angled. I think it's more natural. I advise you to also put your concealer all over here because it will stretch your look or stretch your eyes, open them more. I'm gonna finish with this. So yeah, I really like this one. As you can see, it's instantly blur the dark cycle. Okay. And if you want, you can put the excess of concealer under your eyebrows. Over here and here. Okay, so then to set all of the products you just put in on your face, I advise you to use the Hydra Hyaluronic Powder because it will really set your makeup. So don't put too much, a little bit is enough. And just where you put some concealer, it will really fix your makeup for all day, and so it won't move and it won't go in the little lines in your wrinkles. And if you have a bit of an oily skin like me, it will absorb the sebum. I let it set a little bit, and then I'm going to take out the excess. So then after that, let's warm up this face. So I'm taking my bronzer brush and my, not this one, my Compact Expert Dual Powder. So it's presented like this. It's in the shade number 5. As you can see, you have the bronzy color over here, and in the middle you have a more shimmery color, a bit like an highlighter. So it will give you a more, well, some more glow and a little sparkle. I really like this, and in summer it's really fresh. So the thing is to take a little bit of product and just put it here, and then you work with it like this. You blend it. The other cheek. So just so you know, if you want to try all those products, they're available in Geneva, in the house store in Geneva, and also we have the click and reserve service if you want to make sure you have the product when you come in the store, and of course we have it online, so don't hesitate. And if you have a question, we can answer it in the chat. And a bit of on the nose, so to give like an impression that you went on vacation. Okay, so that's all for the face. Now I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows. So I'm using the eyebrow mascara from by Terry because I really like the natural-ish effect it has. Because if you want something more defined, more drawn, you should take maybe a pencil, but if you like me, something a bit more natural, just take the eyebrow mascara. So it's really like a mascara for the eyelashes. It's presented like this. It's colored, like this, and it will give you a bit of color, fill the blanks, and it will set your eyebrows all day. And as you can see, it's really natural, not too much. So yeah, I use the shade dark brown, but we also have in blonde, in major brown, in auburn, like we have many shades. correct this over here. Okay. So yeah, it's really like a natural finish. So then for the eyes, I decided to show you how I do my bronzy eyeliner. So I use a liner brush, and I'm gonna use also the eyeshadow stick from by Terry, of course, the Color Fix Cream Eyeshadow. It's a creamy eyeshadow, so it's presented like this. I took the shade number 4, the Bronze Moon, and so I'm gonna take my brush and do like this to take a bit of products, and then I'm gonna do a winged liner like I do with my usual eyeliner, but this time with a pen, with the brush, sorry. So you just take like this, you go, well, that's what I do, but it's different according to everyone, but you just go from the outside of your eyes to the inside, but it's just do as you used to do, but that's my technique. And then the other eyes, and like this. Okay, so also if you want, you don't have to, but I like to put the rest on my under eye. Okay, so then to finish my eyes, I'm gonna use my second favorite product from Terry, which is the mascara, the Terribly mascara. I really like this one because it has like a serum integrated in it. It has some hyaluronic acid, collagen, and also plant protein. It's a really like mixed serum that will help your eyelashes to grow. And yeah, it's really the point of By Terry, and the point of using By Terry is that they're adding skincare to the product. So when you're putting makeup, you're actually taking care of your skin and your eyelashes. Yeah, it's a really complete product, and it gives a lot of volume as well. And then the other eye. As you can spot the difference. Okay, so now it's almost over. So I'm just gonna take the excedent of lip balm, and I'm gonna show you how I do my lips. So I decided to show you my favorite kind of lipstick. So that's the liquid matte lipstick. So they present it like this, and as they're gonna dry, I would prefer to add some lip pencil first to be more precise and to be sure that you won't mess up. So I'm taking the lip pencil number 1. So it's like this, as you can see, like this, and I'm gonna put it on my lips. And if you want some more volume, you can do like this also. It will give you like a pub effect. Yeah. And then the best part, applying the lipstick. They're really creamy. They dry well, but they're really creamy, so they're really nice to apply. They don't dry too fast, so you have time to take it off if you want to have a little bit over the line, or if you want to adjust or do an ombre, it depends. Now you just wait like 1 minute, even less, to let it dry, and okay, so cool. And then I'm gonna finish this look with adding a little bit of glow, sparkle. As you might understand, I love when it shines. So I'm gonna put my eyeliner. So it's the Compact Expert Jewel Powder in Rosy Glam. So I'm just gonna take the center color and put it over the point of light here. To let it catch the light, as you can see here. A little bit on the nose, here, and here. And then, there you go. Thank you all for watching. It was a real pleasure to show you how I do my makeup, which product I like, how I use it. Thank you for all your messages and your questions. Also, don't forget that by adding the promo code, if you buy one product, any product of Bytery, by adding the promo code BGLife3, you will have this wonderful makeup bag with some product in it. So you will have a little lip balm, Baume de Rose, and also a setting powder, so you can try it and make your own thoughts. Thank you all for watching. Bye!